put the graphic card on top PCIe slot because top PCIe slots are normally a 16x slot and graphic card needs 16x slots wherever on the motherboard. Oh, you guys are back. I'm happy to see you. This video is all about PCIe slots. I'm Titan. You're watching TEC ASAP. Let's begin. PCI Express, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, also known as PCIe, is a high-speed, serial, computer expansion bus standard. PCI Express devices communicate with each other using logical connections called interconnect or links. These links take data from one point to another. A lane is composed of two different signaling pairs, one for receiving data, another for sending. So, each lane consists of 4 wires or 4 signal traces. You might have seen on your motherboard PCIe Gen Y-X slots, the large slots on the motherboard, used for connecting peripheral devices like graphic cards, sound cards, or sometimes even storage devices. All these PCIe devices are connected parallelly to the motherboard chipset or to the CPU. The generation of PCIe slot indicates the amount of bit it can move per second. Generally, the more the better. And -X slot, for example, 16X slot means there are 16 parallel lanes connected to the slot. So next time when you see PCIe slots, you know it is not for cost saving or for aerodynamics, it has a purpose. You can put any PCIe cards, including graphic cards or sound cards, whichever you need to run a particular program. And I know many of you are waiting for the video on graphic card, and it is going to come soon. So hopefully the subscribe button is grey and notification is set to all. PCIe cards help the processor to process some particular kind of data which cannot be processed by the processor itself. There are different kinds of PCIe slots, 1x, 2x, 4x, 8x and 16x being in the mainstream. PCIe slots can support cards with power requirement up to 75 watt. If your card is more power hungry, power is directly supplied to the card itself. Give your card all the power it needs. Speaking of needs, this channel and the video needs your support. So like the video and share it with all those who might be interested in this. Also, check out the description. If you haven't yet, check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.